Hello, in this video I'm going to be talking about a lens that occupational therapists may look at as an activity that is important for you to be able to carry out to function in daily life. And this activity is cooking and related food prep, meal preparation. And this is something that college students will come across. And if you are a student with an intellectual disability, you may or may not have made food at your house before going to college. Maybe cooking is something you like to do, or maybe it's not, and it's not really something that you have worked on or tried before. So some things you may want to consider with meal preparation and being able to cook for yourself, because if you think about it, you may be in a dorm where there's an opportunity to cook your own meals. There may also be a meal plan on campus where you can receive meals from the cafeteria or dining commons. But there may be times where you want to make something that the school doesn't offer, like a food that you enjoy from home, or you just want to be able to be more independent and develop some of those skills yourself. So think about some of these things, like what materials will I need to be able to cook the food I would like when I go off to school? Or where can I purchase some of these items that I need to be able to cook food? Is there a store or a grocery store nearby that I can get food from? How will I get to the store? If you are currently a high school student, you may even consider what kinds of things you can do to prepare now in order to be more independent with cooking when you move into your dorm at college. What kind of recipes might you want to make while you're still at home and can have assistance to carry out the task efficiently and functionally? Some ideas may be cooking a simple meal like making eggs on the stove with your family. Or you could purchase a recipe book with simple recipes to try for college students. You may even consider visual instructions of the steps to complete a task. So if you want to make eggs, for example, which is a simple food that you can learn to make, you may have pictures that you can use to follow along with the steps, and that way, as you are learning, you can go off of the pictures. As you get better with the task and have more practice, you can slowly downgrade the task by simply not using the pictures or trying to use them less over time. If somebody is helping you and explaining different steps to you on how to make the eggs, maybe they slowly decrease the amount of instruction that they are giving you over time. And this can be applied whether it's making eggs or some other recipe that is of interest to you. Utilizing these concepts could be a potential way to work on these cooking and meal preparation skills. If any of these ideas seem interesting or helpful to you, how may you implement them in your daily life? What kinds of things are ultimately going to be meaningful to you when it comes to making meals and cooking and providing for yourself in this way that allows you to be more independent? This method of thinking, of having me ask you different questions and coming up with a solution that may be best for you and your situation, it all gathers ideas from the concept of using a coach approach. And a coaching approach can be used by occupational therapists or other healthcare professionals or even just simply life coaches. This method of talking about different topics can help you to build skills like advocating for yourself, increased independence, and a better ability to make decisions on your own. I hope this video was enjoyable and helpful for you to consider this area when going off to college. If you have any questions or comments regarding this video, please don't hesitate to reach out to me.